wabarakatuh. So, my name is Hafnan, and for today's presentation, we are going to present about the airline ticket system. So, actually, our group are creating a system using a C program, C language, and we are creating about the airline ticket system. So, we creating this system is for our mini project and on subject programming for engineering. So, without furthering our time, I want to ask one of my group member, which is Fakrul Azim, about the introduction of the airline ticketing system. So, Fakrul, can you tell us about the introduction for the airlines and also the C language?
Okay, thank you, Mama Afnan. I will present to you the introduction about the airline ticket system. The ticket airline reservation system was developed to overcome the problem that prevail in the practical manual system. This software is support to eliminate and in some cases to reduce difficulties that face in existing system. In addition, this system is designed to meet specific needs of the company to perform operations smoothly and effectively. The application is to reduce as much as possible to avoid data entry errors. It also to provide an error message which valid data is entered. The user doesn't need to any formal knowledge to use the system. So all of this show that is easy to use. The airline ticket reservation system as described above that can lead to a fast, secure, reliability and error-free management system. It also can help the user focus on their other activity instead of focusing on record keeping. In this way, it helps the organization make of resources. As we know, every organization face challenge in managing information, and that is why we design the management system that to specific needs. This system will help us plan to strategically and ensure that organization has the right level of information to achieve future goals. I think that's all for the introduction for me.
Okay, thank Fakrul. So there are a lot of things about the C language that we know, and some introduction about the airlines, and also as we hear just now, that C language is more easier for us to use in creating the system. So let's move to the objective. So Fakrul Azim, can you tell us the objective of creating the airline system, the e-ticketing airline system?
All
Azim,
right,
can you tell us?
all right, thank you. The objective of this airline system is very simple. The main goal of the project is on the flight ticketing booking system is to streamline the process of booking flight, payment and passenger. The project is designed to be fully user-friendly, automatically handling all the necessary detail about the flight, route, booking and payment. Only authorized admin will access this system and it primary purpose is to reduce amount of time and effort required to manage this system manually. That's the objective of this flight booking system.
Yeah, there is an interesting objective. So, with using this e-ticketing system for the airline, we can book or buy the ticket to go for the place that we want to go. So,
Exactly.
so let's move to the next point, which is the C language program. So, Fakrul Azim, can you tell us about the C language program?
Okay, thank you, Apna. The mini project is that we use is C language programming. As we know, C programming language uh, as the famous programming language. It very simple and flexible to use because it an organized programming dialect. it is machine independent and widely used to input various application working as Windows and numerous other complex program. It has been said that C could be the god programming dialect, but the C language is the foundation of programming. If you know C, you can easily pick up the information on other programming dialect that use C corner concept the management of C programming language. I think that's all of the little information of the C language programming.
Yeah, thanks, Azim. There's a lot of information about the C language. And as we know right now, most of the programmer also know about the basic of the C language.
Yeah, exactly.
And in our course also, the C language is the primary of the programming that we need to learn. So let's move to the next point. Also, the flowchart. So Azim, can you tell us about the flowchart, the description and the flow of the system that we already made?
Okay, this the flowchart of the system ticketing airline. So you can see the start from the display main menu, and after that we declare the variable and input to decide input from 1 until 4 to display input exit, company profile, book flight, and promotion flight. For first, I will go to the company profile. As you can see, after that it will display the company profile. We will see others vision, mission, and display company profile that it tell the CEO, the executive manager, and so on. And after that, I will go to the promotion flight. We see we can choose the link of the or back menu. If we choose the link to website promotion, we will see the promotion that we get that uh we use provide. If not, it will back to display the main menu. Okay, for the book flight next. Okay, we'll display the input and we declare either to we choose to oversee or the domestic. And after that we choose, we'll enter the date and we will select the destination at whether to oversee or domestic. And after that, we'll display the selected flight. When after after that, we will enter the name, number phone, email, and after that, we will enter the amount of passenger. Next, after we enter the amount of passenger, we will collecting the total price of the amount. We select the payment method. There's a three method we provide, which is the debit card, credit card, and net banking. After that, it will print the ticket after it successfully, and it will back to return the menu back. Can you back to first search Afnan?
Yeah.
As you can see, okay, auto display input exit, we will end that. I think that's all for the flowchart system that we try to provide.
Okay, thanks, Azim. So as you can see from the flowchart, actually we creating the system of the airline ticketing using the flowchart that already made and already present just now. So you guys can see that I know that a lot of you that not understand about the flowchart and the process or the system. So without wasting our time, let's see the coding and also the output and display that we already done for the e-ticketing system.
All right.
So, yeah, wait a minute. I will share the coding. So, as you guys can see, this is the code, the coding for our system, which is e-ticketing airline system. So there are a lot of information that we put because there are a lot of choice that you can choose for the journey of your travel. So let's see for the output.
Sorry,
The out
Afna. I cannot see the screen.
oh, sorry. Wait. I will share it back. Do you see it, Fakrul?
Not yet. Or I am the problem, or
The screen you see?
yes, the screen I see.
This flowchart you see?
Yes, I see the flowchart.
Okay. I'll try to share the. And right now,
I think not yet. Still.
I try to share the. This, you see? No.
No, no, no at all. Still dark.
Yeah. Dark.
You also dark. Nothing here. Mm,
Wait a minute. Try my best.
okay.
But right now, my
Oh,
computer. The
I
output you
see
see?
the program. Now I see
Uh,
the I
okay.
see the output.
You see the output. Okay. The output is okay. So right now, as you can see, this is the output when we run the coding. You will see this is the first main menu that we show to your computer. So at here we see have four option, which is a book flight promotion, company profile, and exits. So let's see the book flight. The option is one until four, and the book flight is four. So as you can see right now, there are three options, which is domestic destination, overseas destination, and back to the main menu. So I will show one example of the journey. How can you book your ticket inside the system? So let's see for the overseas, because yeah, overseas is more fun uh, and useful to we go
Right.
for to travel. So let's first you need to put the date that you want to travel. So for example, we put this date, and after you put the date, they will show the option of the destination that you can choose. So the first you can choose any option a destination that you want to go. So for example, for me, I want to go to Incheon. So after that, they will show three option of the flight that you can choose, and also the price also different, and the departure and also arrival also different. The time are different. So you can choose whether you want to use the flight. So for example, I'm going to fly using the Malaysia Airlines. So the after that, the flight selected will show up, and it will show the price for the ticket for the one person. So after that, you need to put your name. For example, I put my name, and you need to put your phone number
Right.
and put your email. Just example email. And right now, it will ask you how many passenger want to fly. So how many people with you guys that you want to fly to the other country. So for example, you put two adults and two children. So it will automatically calculate the total price that you need to pay. So after that, you
Alright.
can choose whether you want to pay with the debit card, credit card, or net banking. So for me, I'm going to choose credit card. So
Alright.
you need to put your credit card number. This is the example, and the date of your expired credit card, and the password of your credit card. And after that, it will show that transaction is successful. So after that, you need to print the ticket. You just press any key and you can print the ticket. So this is the ticket, the flight ticket for our system, airline e-ticketing. So after the flight ticket show up, you can go back to the menu by pressing any key that you want. So this is back to the menu. That's for the book flight. So you guys can try if you guys to choose for the domestic and also the overseas destination. And all the price are different, and you guys can buy the ticket inside it. So let's see the flight promotion.
Okay.
So in our in system, we give the discount to three kind of person, which is the first one, the small family, which is two adult and one children inside the family. And the second is 25% to the married couple, which is two adults. And the last is 30% for those big family, which is two adult and five children. Uh, so as you can see, we already put the link for you guys to see the promotion of our airlines e-ticketing. So you guys can, if you guys want to see the promotion link, you guys can click one, or you can go back to the menu. So right now we go back to the menu,
All right.
and I will show to you guys about our company profile, which is the company name is DA Airline Enterprise. The chief executive officer, which is Fakru Azim, and as me, I vice chief executive of this company. So let's see our vision. This is our vision yeah, for our system, and then this is our mission for our system. So that's all for the company profile. And yeah, go. If you press any key, you will go back to the main menu. So to exit from our system, you need to go back to the menu and choose the exit choice, which is for. And yeah, you can exit from this main menu. And yeah, thank you for buying with us. I was Journey, and bye bye. That is the exit, and just press any key and we pop out. Okay,
All right.
that's all about the programming for our system and the output and display in our system.
Okay.
Okay, I will continue share our slide just now. So here we stop at the flowchart, right? So
All right.
next we
Yes.
go for the conclusion. So for the conclusion, Azim, can you share with us about the conclusion of our system?
Okay, Afnan, thank you. And good for the smooth and great explanation about the output of mini project. Okay, because of the we are running of our time, I will summarize the conclusion. So in conclusion, airline ticket reservation system developed using C language programming can be a powerful and efficient tool for the travel industry. C language is widely used general purpose programming language that is known for its efficiency and performance. By using C language, the developer can take advantage of its low-level capabilities to create a system that can handle large amount of data and complex calculation. And additionally, C language is structured which make easy to understand, debug, and maintain the code. I think that's all for the conclusion.
Okay, thanks, Fakru Azim. That's good explanation about the question, and also the good explanation about our airlines e-ticketing system. So that's all for our group and about the e-ticketing airline system. And that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.